Hey, we're here at go2math.com. Click on the calculus. Let's go down to the average value. And what are we doing? 2.1, I think. I believe that's what's going on. Find the average value of f of x on the interval AB. Round to 2 decimal places, and it says if needed. So let's go ahead and write that down. So we have, if you worked, I guess let me say something here. If you worked the mean value section just before this, I believe, I think I went ahead and used the same function, so it may all look familiar. I know it was confusing for me. I was like, I think I've already worked this problem. Okay, so let's just go ahead and write the formula out here that we're going to be using. F of x dx. Okay, so this is a whole lot like the mean value theorem. And remember, this is really all equal to f of c, I guess you can think, right? So our f of x, we'll go ahead and write that up here, was 8 times the square root of x, and we were on the interval between 1 and 8. All right. Okay, and remember this is a b here. Okay, so we've got 1 over b minus a. This is 8 minus 1. And our f of x is 8. And I'm going to go ahead and write it like this. So we have 1 over 8 minus 1 is 7. I hope. You know what? I left out some stuff here. Left that out. Okay, so add 1 to the exponent. I guess I better write the 8 here. We have x to the 3 halves over 3 halves. And we're going from 1 to 8. Alright, so we kind of need to clean all this stuff up here, right? I'm looking to see if there's anything we can do here. You know what? I'm just going to write it like this. We got 1/7 times 8 times, take this, flip it 2/3. We got time here. And I didn't mean to do that. Let's make that disappear. X to the 3 halves. Forgot that part. Okay, so can we reduce any of this down? And answer to that is doesn't look like it, because 3 doesn't go into 8, 7 doesn't go into 8, and nothing goes into 2. And so we end up with 16 over 21, it looks like. And we can actually do this. So we plug 8 in, 8 to the 3 halves minus, then plug 1 in, 1 to the 3 halves. And what do we got going on from there? That's the question. So I'm going to go ahead. I think it said round to 2 decimal places. I do believe, if I remember right. 8 raised to the 3 halves. And of course, 1 raised to the, what? 1/3. It should say 3 halves, but it doesn't matter. It's still 1, no matter what it is. Okay. What in the world? I don't know what I was thinking on that part. That's 3 halves there. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and round this. I'm going to put an approximation symbol here because we're rounding it. 16.48. I do believe it said round to 2 decimal places. 16.48, and that's what script shows. So there you go. Come on back to go2math.com. This is where you can practice all this stuff, and see you later.